Hello, everyone. I'm Davis Chow from Cav Furniture Hardware. Glad to be here to introduce our 165-degree soft close hinges to you. The opening angle can be 165 to 175 degree. Check the standard hinge in the other side. The opening angle they can reach is 90 to 105 degree. Closing the door, no noise at all, due to the soft close function. This is the unique advantage of Cav 165-degree soft close hinges. Dwang, the noise is so big, shorten the using life of your cabinets. We can reach the overlay adjustable through the screw on the hinge. Now it is half overlay. And here is the screw, twisted. See, it is full overlay now. Closed softly with 165-degree opening angle. That's it, Cav 165-degree soft close hinges. That's all for today. Thank you.